Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best space saver treadmill is probably one of the most sought after pieces of home fitness equipment for those living in smaller spaces, offering a convenient way to get your cardio in without sacrificing precious living area. Imagine transforming a corner of your room into a personal gym, complete with a powerful yet compact treadmill that folds away neatly when not in use, making it an ideal solution for apartments, dorm rooms, or any home where space is at a premium. This innovative design allows you to maintain your fitness routine regardless of your living situation, proving that you don't need a large house to achieve your health goals. Number 5. Niceday steppers for exercise. Accelerate fat burning in your buttocks and legs with continuous stepping. Persistent cardio exercise helps reduce lower limb fat and enhance muscle strength for toned legs and lifted glutes. Enjoy a nearly silent workout thanks to the silent silicone cushioning pad. With movement sound at only 25 dB, you can exercise without disturbing anyone. Its smooth hydraulic system maintains high resistance for effective fat burning. This helps you achieve optimal exercise effects while staying in a cardio state. Ready to use right out of the box, this compact stepper is easy to move. Enjoy a great workout while watching TV or beside your standing desk. Requiring only a small footprint, its compact size fits any limited space. Store it easily in tight corners and start stepping wherever you are. Built with thick commercial steel, it ensures absolute stability and a high loading capacity. You can rely on its robust construction for safe workouts. Adjust the step height to target balance and strengthen your core muscles. Choose a lower stride for longer workouts or a higher stride to burn more calories. What we like? This stepper is designed for those who need a quiet workout solution. If you have young children or live in an apartment, its near-silent operation is a huge advantage. You can get a great leg and glute workout without disturbing anyone. If you're looking for a discreet way to stay active at home, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It's very sturdy, yet lightweight and compact enough to put away after each use. The step count is accurate. The resistance bands are a great addition to ensure a full body workout. The resistance feels smooth and challenging enough to actually get a good sweat going, especially when I use the resistance bands for arms at the same time. Number 4. Folding pedal exerciser. This mini exercise bike features a lightweight and foldable design, making it perfect for cardio workouts at home, in the office, or even on vacation. Its compact size allows you to use it anywhere, even under your desk while you work. This versatile exerciser is designed for both your arms and legs. You can pedal forwards or backwards to help improve muscle strength and blood circulation. Track your progress with the easy-to-read LCD monitor. It displays your RPM, total count, exercise time, and calories burned, so you always know how you're doing. Easily adjust the workout intensity with the simple knob. It's perfect for everyone, from fitness beginners to experts and seniors. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools. The anti-slip pedals and stable base ensure it stays put during your entire workout. What we like? This mini exercise bike is perfect for multitasking. If you spend a lot of time at a desk, you can easily get some movement in for your legs and arms without interrupting your work. It's ideal for seniors or anyone looking to add light activity throughout their day. If you want to boost circulation and maintain some fitness while being sedentary, this is your go-to. What people say. It's easy to use, quiet, and fits perfectly under my desk. The resistance is adjustable and smooth, and it keeps my legs moving without straining my back. It's also lightweight and easy to fold up when not in use. It folds up for easy storage. It is good to keep your legs and knees moving. It has an adjustable resistance knob for pedals. With the visor digital embutido, is possible to accompanyar informacos como tempo, calorias queimadas y contagem de rotacos, offering control and motivation during the treino. O produto is perfect for pessoas rehabilitaco or who wish to exercise in a light and practical way. A resistencia ajustável guarantees that the user adapts the treino according to their need. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Foldable Treadmill. Introducing the Slim Foldable Treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness. Its space-saving design makes storage a breeze, fitting perfectly into any home. Experience a dynamic workout with its robust 2.5 HP motor. You can easily adjust speeds from a gentle walk to an intense run, all at your fingertips. Enjoy ample room for your stride on the generous 17.7x49 non-slip running surface. It's designed to keep you stable and secure during every step. This treadmill comes fully assembled and ready for your first workout. When you're done, it folds up easily for convenient storage. Stay informed about your fitness journey with the easy-to-read digital monitor. It displays your time, distance, speed, and calories burned in real time. Our advanced shock absorption system minimizes impact on your joints, providing a smoother and more comfortable running experience than hard outdoor surfaces. Mount your device on the holder and connect to the built-in speakers. Enjoy your favorite music or podcasts as you exercise, making every workout more engaging. What we like. This treadmill offers a full running experience in a compact package. If you're an avid runner who needs a home solution but has limited space, this is ideal. Its slim profile allows for easy storage under furniture. If you want the convenience of running or jogging indoors without a bulky machine, this is a great option. What people say. The wheels make it easy to maneuver forward and back and side to side, and it's very manageable for two people to move around. Overall, it's pretty quiet for a treadmill. Bottom line, if you're short on space and need a fold-flat treadmill that goes up to 8 miles per hour, this is the one. Number 2. FINEHORSE 2-Side Walking Pad. Discover the innovative FINEHORSE 2-Side Walking Pad, a versatile fitness solution for your home or office. It's designed to enhance your well-being and fitness routine. This upgraded model offers dual functionality. Use one side for walking and running, and flip it over to the other side for a relaxing foot massage. It caters to all your fitness and recovery needs. Experience the unique foot massage mode with 5 intensity levels. It's perfect for soothing muscle tension and soreness after a long day. Simply switch to side B for ultimate relaxation. Despite its compact size, it boasts a powerful motor supporting up to 330 pounds. It operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful workout environment. Adjust your speed from 0.6 to 4 miles per hour with the convenient remote control. Engage in a challenging workout with the 5% incline feature, simulating a mountaineering experience. This helps effectively shape your glutes and leg muscles while burning more calories. Easily monitor and control your settings with the dual display system. Both on-machine buttons and a remote control are available, providing a seamless user experience. This treadmill is designed for convenience. Its compact size and built-in wheels make it easy to move and store under desks, beds, or couches. It also features advanced shock absorption to protect your knees and joints. What we like. This walking pad offers a unique dual-purpose experience. If you're looking for more than just a walk or run, the integrated foot massager provides a relaxing recovery. It's perfect for those who want to alleviate muscle tension after exercise or a long day. If you desire a versatile machine that combines fitness with relaxation, this is the one. What people say. The massage side is very nice. Small round nodules built into the surface under the mat massage your feet as your feet pass over them. Feels awesome. 5 slow walking settings in that side. Flip it over and you have a safety bar with an infrared remote control that pops into the handle. Easy settings for 3 miles per hour walking or 6 miles per hour running. Goes from 0.2 miles per hour to 6.2 miles per hour in 0.2 miles per hour increments. Also includes a small separate remote control. The foot massage feature is wonderful and used almost every day. It is easy to move between the offices, fits easily below our stand-up desks, and is easy to store tucked beside a storage cabinet. The traditional walking side moves smoothly during workouts, and I couldn't get enough of the massage side as a cool-down for my feet. Whenever I wasn't using the walking pad, I stored it safely and comfortably in a corner of my house for future use. Number 1. SereneLife Electric Folding Treadmill. Tired of bulky exercise equipment? This treadmill features a smart hydraulic folding system, making it incredibly easy to store when not in use. Its compact size ensures it fits perfectly in any home. Achieve your fitness goals with a variety of training options. Choose from 12 preset programs or personalize your workout with manual settings to match your preferences. Stay motivated by monitoring your performance in real time. The clear LCD screen displays your speed, distance, time, heart rate, and calories burned, helping you stay on track. Enjoy a comfortable and effective workout on its generous running belt. You can also adjust the incline to 4 different levels for a more challenging session. Make your exercise routine more enjoyable. Connect via Bluetooth to play your favorite music or sync with popular fitness apps like Kinemap and Zwift. What we like. This electric treadmill is built for the modern fitness enthusiast. If you enjoy tracking your progress with apps and want guided workouts, its Bluetooth connectivity is a major plus. The 12 preset modes offer variety for any fitness level. If you're looking for a smart, connected, and space-saving treadmill experience, this is a strong contender. What people say. It was easy to assemble and not too heavy. It folds up and down like a dream. It's true it's not the same heavy-duty treadmill you'll find in a gym, but we weren't looking for that. It's quite small when folded and easy to move around. It has wheels. It was easy to assemble and not too heavy. It folds up and down like a dream. It's true it's not the same heavy-duty treadmill you'll find in a gym, but we weren't looking for that. It's quite small when folded and easy to move around. It has wheels. The media could not be loaded. Update. So we had our treadmill for a little over a year and it had still been doing great until one day we noticed a rip in the belt. I contacted their customer support as we were still within warranty and they were absolutely amazing. It was a simple matter of providing them with a copy of our receipt, a screenshot of the purchase from our Amazon account, and a photo of the issue, and within the next day they notified us they were sending out a full replacement. They were responsive, followed up to every email in a timely manner, and did not hassle us about the process like I've had some other companies do. They simply stood by their word and honored the warranty. Can't ask for better than that. Not only is this a good product, it was still functioning well. I feel a rip in the belt could happen to anyone, but an honest, fair, responsive company that you can absolutely feel safe about purchasing from. Can't say enough good things. 10 stars for these guys. If you're on the fence, rest assured this company will take care of you if you need them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.